This dog will give me a break. I'll show you guys the coronet that I got back here. I'm trying to move out of the way. This is my barn find. 69 coronet 440. Probably came with a 318. I think I decoded the VIN number before and that's what it was, but it's been a couple years since I even messed with this car. But I got to get it out of here because we are going to concrete slab this whole thing up like we did over there. So back tire on this thing's flat right now. Hey, get out of that ant pile. What is this guy up to? He's such a butthead today. He's so mad at me. He came over here and look, he kicked dirt all over my new concrete slab because I wouldn't play with him. I gotta get this done, dude. Alright, so the sun's going down, tire's flat. Probably can't even push the car by myself, but here we go. Hopefully it'll air up because it's kind of up against the wall here. Doesn't sound like it's airing up. Probably gonna have to jack it up. See if the other tires are flat. I don't think they are. It's low. I'll put some air in it, but it's not flat. There's the other side of it. Matte black. Just for now. I mean, eventually I'll paint it something, but for now. There's that bumper I got off of the coronet in the junkyard. I just kind of put it on for now. It's not bolted all the way in, so it may fall off when I push the car out of here. But what are you doing? Oh, okay then. All right, so once I get this thing aired up, I'll push it out and it'll be good. you under there? There he is. What are you doing? Let this thing cool off and shut off before I... There we go. Also got to move all those wheels from there over to there, and then I got to move them back after we pour the slab. We're gonna move the avion over into this spot over here. See how we got it all cleared out. Got Bill move it because the trailer's a lot easier than I can. That thing is long as hell, man. Shit. What do you think? He's gonna get your spot in a minute, dude. This is gonna be our office with our PlayStation or our Xbox, right, Billy? We'll see. All right, Pesci. Better get out of the way, boy. He's coming in here. Let's see how it looks up front. All right, we got another shipment of concrete in, ready to go. Pouring pouring the slab in the back. Alright guys, getting ready to pour the fourth slab out here. Try to get this backyard in order. Concrete ready to go. Pump truck here. Got the slab all formed out, graded up. Should be able to fit 2 cars in there and a bunch of tools, and we'll put a garage door on the front and all that good stuff. But there it is. We're getting ready to start pumping now. Alright, here we go. Start pumping now. There it is. Pretty badass. The Putzmeister over there. Yeah, that pump's good. I should have been a concrete guy. Should have been a pumper. Should have had the hose to hold. Alright, I gotta get going. But when we get back, we'll have a slab. Getting ready to get out of here, but he's bull floating that, and then they're pouring the rest of that. He's trialing around the upright bars there, and then they'll float the rest of it with the bull float, and we'll have another slab. Cool. What looks from inside the house. Alright, we're back and everybody's gone. Had to go to work and do some calls. Gotta pay for this concrete, but look at that. Man, that looks good, don't it? Hell yeah. Plenty of room in between them for shelves and racking and whatnot. Put some or something, I don't know. What do you think? Looks good, right? In the beginning. We still got to put skirts here on the side, and you know, so armadillos and raccoons and rabbits and whatnot can't get in there. And then we got to put garage doors here on the front, and I'm going to try to extend that one out further and put a garage door on each side there, a roll up. And then of course we'll do this corner here in the future when I get some more money, and then we'll do back there. And I'll run this all the way out and over, so that way I can put, you know, another 3 or 4 cars there. But that's what it looks like from back here right now. Don't you run on that concrete, boy. Acting all crazy. Yeah, that looks good. Good deal. Got all this stuff just piled up in here for now until I can get it organized, you know. But for now, that'll do.